The musculoskeletal system is the body's framework and engine, a remarkable partnership between bones, muscles, and connective tissue that gives you structure, protects your organs, and makes every movement possible. The skeleton is the body's foundation. 206 bones form a rigid yet flexible framework from the skull down to the toes. Bones are not just structural. They store calcium and phosphorus, house the bone marrow that produces blood cells, and anchor the muscles that move you. Look closer at a single bone and you find extraordinary complexity. The outer layer, compact bone, is dense and strong, built to bear weight and resist fracture. Beneath it lies spongy bone, a honeycomb network that keeps bones lightweight while maintaining strength. Deep at the center, the bone marrow cavity produces millions of red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets every second. Where two bones meet, a joint forms. Most major joints in the body are synovial joints, filled with slippery fluid that reduces friction to nearly zero. Smooth articular cartilage covers the bone ends, absorbing shock with every step. Ligaments, tough, fibrous bands, hold bones together and prevent dangerous movement beyond their range. Muscles give the skeleton its power. The body has over 600 skeletal muscles, each made of thousands of long muscle fibers bundled together. Skeletal muscle is voluntary. You decide when to contract it. Smooth muscle lines your blood vessels and organs, working automatically without conscious control. Cardiac muscle is the specialized tissue of the heart, tireless and self-regulating. Zoom into a single muscle fiber and the machinery becomes visible. Each fiber contains thousands of myofibrils packed with two proteins, actin and myosin. When a nerve signal arrives, myosin heads reach out, grab the actin filaments and pull them inward. The sarcomere shortens, the fiber contracts. Multiply this across millions of fibers firing in coordination, and a muscle generates powerful, controlled force. Muscles connect to bones through tendons, dense, rope-like cords of collagen that transmit every contraction across a joint. The musculoskeletal system operates as a system of levers, bones as rigid rods, joints as fulcrums, and muscles generating the force. The bicep pulls on the forearm bone. The knee extensors straighten the leg. The back muscles hold you upright against gravity. Every step you take, every lift, every breath of your rib cage, the musculoskeletal system is working. Over 600 muscles and 206 bones coordinating in perfect rhythm to carry you through every moment of your life.